Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's story is nothing short of incredible. What happens when a lawful US green card holder is suddenly threatened with a deportation despite living peacefully in America for over 20 years, my friends. This is a real life story of Mohammad Qatanani, a religious leader in New Jersey who just defeated the US government in the courts. This case could impact millions of green card holders across the country, my friends. Stay with me because what you are about to hear might change the way you think about immigration laws in the United States. Mohammad Qatanani is a Palestinian-born imam who moved to the United States in 1996 on an H-1B visa, my friends. He became a permanent resident and applied for a green card in 1999. Since then, he has served as a respected religious leader in the New Jersey, guiding one of the largest Muslim communities in the state, my friends. But for more than 2 decades, the US government tried to deport him, accusing him of having alleged ties to Hamas, allegations that he consistently denied. Here's where things got serious. US immigration authorities claimed that Qatanani didn't disclose a 1993 arrest in Israel, even though he was never formally charged or convicted. He says he was detained, interrogated, and tortured, but not tried. Still, based on that alone, immigration officials sought to strip his green card and deport him under national security grounds, my friends. His case was dragged on through different administrations, but escalated under Trump administrations, which aggressively pushed to remove him. In July 2025, the US Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit gave its ruling, and it was a huge win. Court ruled that the federal government cannot revoke a green card without proper congressional authorization. In simple terms, the judge said the executive branch, including immigration officials, cannot act unilaterally to take away someone's permanent resident status. The court called the government actions a violation of a Constitution's separation of powers, my friends. Judge Ariana Freeman wrote that this approach would give the executive carte blanche power, something the founders never intended. This isn't just about one man, it's about protecting over 12.8 million green card holders in the United States, my friends. This ruling reinforces due process applies to immigrants. Just because you are not a citizen doesn't mean the government can take away your rights without going through proper channels, my friends. If you are a green card holder worried about policy changes under future presidents, this ruling shows that courts can still protect you. It also sets a strong legal precedent. Green cards cannot be revoked without congressional process. You are entitled to a fair hearing. Accusations alone are not enough for deportation. Let's not forget who Mohammad Qatanani is. He's not just a legal case, he is a community leader, a father, and a public figure who worked closely with Jewish and Christian leaders in New Jersey to promote interfaith unity. Despite the allegations, there has been no evidence of wrongdoing, and he's remained a model resident for decades, my friends. His fight wasn't just about staying in America. It was about standing up for the legal rights of millions of immigrants who fear losing their place in the country they now call home. So, what can we learn from this story? First, know your rights. If you are a green card holder or planning to become one, understand the US immigration law still requires a proper legal process. Second, don't underestimate the power of the courts. Even in political charged times, justice can still prevail. If you found this story insightful, please like, subscribe, and share with someone who might benefit from this knowledge. Do you think the green card holders are being treated fairly in today's America? Please comment it down below. Thanks for watching. I see you next time. Take care.